Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. Today we are going to discuss about how to find out the trigonometric functions for 0 degree. To find out the trigonometric functions for 0 degree, we take the previous triangle itself, that is with the 45 degrees. Here AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent, and hypotenuse is AC. So now we need the trigonometric functions for 0 degree. To make this 0 degree, we have to shift the A position towards B. In that condition, this angle C will become 0 and AB line will become 0. And in that condition, BC and AC line will be equal. Therefore, AC is equal to BC is equal to A, and AB will become 0 and angle C will also become 0. Okay. Therefore, sine 0 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB is 0, AC is A. So ultimately it will become 0. For cos 0 degree, it will be the adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. It will BC is equal to A, AC is equal to A. A cancel, it will become 1. Tan 0 degree is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So now 0 by A, it will become 0. So now if we calculate the cot 0 degree, for cot 0 degree, it is reciprocal of tan 0 degree. 1 by 0, it will become infinity or not defined. And then after sec 0 degree is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. And cosec 0 degree is equal to, that is the reciprocal of sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is equal to 0, 1 by 0, again it will become not defined or infinity. So these are the trigonometric functions for 0 degree. Thank you.